Hey, I'm Courtney with a K, and today I'm going to show you how I do my twist out. My hair has already been washed and deep conditioned prior to this film, so we're going to get straight into styling. You see me using my finger to part my hair into sections. Now that we have a section, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner. I'll be using the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. Camille Rose Moisture Milk smells so good. Oh my goodness, you guys, you gotta smell it. You gotta try it. And now I'm using my detangling brush just to make sure the product is evenly distributed throughout the section. And here's the real MVP when it comes to my twist outs, okay? This Almond twisting butter by Camille Rose works wonders. I haven't seen the definition or the shine that I see when I use this twisting butter with any other product. Once I feel that the Almond twisting butter is kind of evenly distributed through my hair, then that's when I begin twisting. As you can see, whenever I am twisting on the edge, I always put the hair that's closer to the edge under and then go over. It's not a special technique or anything, it's just what I do out of habit. Once I've two-strand twisted my hair all the way to the end, I start doing this little twirling motion here. As you can see, I am twisting my hair just around and around my finger until I feel like it's like tight. That's what keeps my twist from coming loose. Now we're simply going to repeat the steps until we have completed this section. Some of my hair begins to dry, and so I have to use my spray bottle to dampen my hair before applying the leave-in and the twisting butter. Honestly takes forever, but the smaller the section, the better the definition. And on to the next section. I've always wanted to do that. I'm going to start doing this more often. And we are all done with twisting. I'm giving you guys a look. Now to sit under the dryer for about an hour, and the remainder will happen overnight. Up bright and early the next morning to see if my hair has dried. The key to a good frizzless twist out is making sure that your hair is completely dry before unraveling. I start my twist takedown with an olive and tea tree oil blend, making sure I moisturize each twist with special attention to my ends of my hair just to minimize frizz. Here's a closer look at how I untwist my hair. I'm being very, very careful with the ends of my hair to keep frizz away. Also notice how I am keeping my hair stretched while I am untwisting. Then we oil, untwist, and repeat. You, but it's the definition for me. section your hair so that you can start pulling the twist apart where it naturally separates, and using a pick to fluff out the roots so that it looks, full. Again, you're not combing all the way through with the pick. You're just pulling up the roots a little bit just to give it that full look, and so that you can kind of like hide the parts that you made when you had your twist. This one against me. I was rushing trying to do my hair before work. I actually recommend that you pull your hair apart, separate the twist where it naturally kind of wants to separate first before fluffing your roots. So you want to make sure that you section your hair, section the twist first where it naturally kind of wants to separate, and fluff after you do that for that fuller look. I also recommend that you separate when you have time. If you do not have time to separate your twist gently, I suggest that you don't, because that's where the frizz is going to come in. So like the more that you separate, the more that you pull it apart, that's what's going to cause the frizzies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this twist out tutorial kind of helped. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting and liking, and I appreciate you guys. I hope that you have an awesome day.